Hi everyone, my name is Titiksha and today we'll be talking about 10 productive things you can do at home to utilize your free time. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Number 1. Read a book. Reading makes us smarter and we already know that. But a 2009 study by the Sussex University researchers showed that reading may reduce stress by as much as 68%. It really doesn't matter what book you read. Losing yourself in a thoroughly engrossing book, you can escape from the worries and stresses of the everyday world. Number 2. Listen to a podcast. Podcasts are a great way to boost your morale and get you on top of your game. And the best part about it is that you can listen while you're taking a walk, driving, or while you wait on your next task. Number 3. Declutter your inbox. Sometimes we just choose to read that mail some other time, which leads to a piled up mailbox containing both relevant and irrelevant information. According to the McKinsey Global Institute, an average employee spends 13 hours a week reading and responding to email. Also, according to SaneBox's internal data, the average inbox contains only 38% important and relevant emails. Email decluttering can be one of the most productive things to do in your free time. Number 4. Go for a walk. When you need to come up with fresh ideas or gain a new perspective, what should you do? Take a walk. Innovators like Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, and Jack Dorsey utilized walking meetings to prompt the best thinking from themselves and others. Stanford University researchers, after conducting 4 experiments, confirmed that walking indoor or outdoors improved participants' ability to think creatively. And these positive effects continued even after they sat down to do inventive work. Number 5. Work on your physical and mental health. This can never be overemphasized. Your mental health is so important that it has a direct connection to your physical health and how productive you can be on whatever things you do. You can try walking, jogging, or just at-home exercises. You can also try out meditation and other relaxing practices like yoga. Number 6. Try a new recipe. You do not need to impress the MasterChef judges, just your family and loved ones are enough to try something new with. You can simply search on the internet for new recipes and try them out yourself. Number 7. Organize your desk. In addition to being visually unpleasing, according to the research published in the Journal of Neuroscience, having a disorganized desk can make it harder for you to focus and process information. Clutter competes for your attention and it creates stress, anxiety, and guilt. In other words, it's got to go. Number 8. Learn a new language. According to language experts, professionals that are fluent in a second language can earn up to 10 to 15% more than their monolingual counterparts. And learning a new language is always fun. Try apps like Duolingo. Number 9. Learn to draw. Most of us stopped improving our drawing skills after the compulsory art classes in school. However, drawing is a great way to de-stress. Grab a pencil and a paper and start following the YouTube tutorial. Number 10. Watch a TED Talk. If you are the type of person to get excited when a new season of your favorite TV show is released, just imagine how many hours of binging content you could have with TED Talks. One of the best things about TED Talks is that there is literally something for every one of you. So guys, it's time to break that cycle of I have done nothing productive all day. That's it for the video guys. If you like this video, give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.